kumain mo? Anong time mo?
Tingnan ko lang, ilang. First one ball, Lydia, Brent. Alarcon, Umber. First decision of Lydia. Intercepted. Against Brood. Watch out now. In the ball, setting a play. Back to Kochon. Nice take, right? Keljim, first basket. Yes, on Keljim, let it fly. Our score 2-0. Paper of Brewer. Sabiliano. Pass to Bren. Drive, carried by Go. Ipang kay Kochon. Intercept. Steal by Go.
Go, good.
Sabiliano now. Coast to coast. First shot. Rebound on Brewer. Our score still 2-0. Pakulba. Yes, on Pakulba. 5-0 lead against Brewer. Sabiliano to Bren, steal. Steal by Pakulano. 40 to shoot. Kalidia ball, Kalidia. Alarcon, drive, side step. Alarcon, short. Rebound on, let it fly. Keljim. Pagilian. Coast to coast. Yes, on Pagilian. Now 7-0. 7-point lead now, Marur. Sabiliano. Steal, Alarcon. Pass to Padre Alarcon. Traveling violation on Padre Alarcon. Turnover on Kalidia. Until now. Back-to-back turnover both teams. Our first game, Aurora against Kalidia. Our interstate category. Sabiliano. Steal again by Pakulba. Yes, Pakulba drive, steal Pakulba, coast to coast. Yes, on timeout on Kalidia. On Kalidia. Sabiliano now. Pass, steal by let it fly, Keljim, coast to coast. Yes, on let it fly, Keljim, 11-9. 11-0. Nice defense of Pagirayan. 40 to shoot. Steal by Kuachon. Yes, first basket of Kalidia against steal by Sabiliano. It's 3-3, 3-4. Sabiliano attack. Yes, on Sabiliano. Now 4-11. 7-point lead on Brewer. The fly, stop, pump, first shot, too strong. Iba ng Pakulba. 14 to shoot. Panchon. To Pagirigan. 10 to shoot. Drive, block. Steal by Sabiliano. It's 2-1. Sabiliano. Turnover on Kalidia. Our score, 11-4. 7-point lead on Marur. Block by Alarcon. Pakulba. Yes, on Pakulba. 34. Back to 9-point lead on Calidia. Murur. Yes! On Rivera. Now 7-3, 13. Panchon, 5 minutes. Let it fly, tell them in and out. 3-point on Bren. Bren to Sabiliano. Nice move. Sabiliano attack, defense foul. Foul on number 43 on Pagirian. First team foul on Murur. First on Pagirian. 4 minutes, 50 seconds, 13 against 7. 13 against 8. 5-point lead now on Murur. In and out. Rebound on Kiljem. Kiljem to Panchon. Panchon to Pangirigan. Stop up. Back to Panchon. Drive, attack. Left-handed. Too strong. Rebound on Sabiliano. Sabiliano to Alarcon. Nice move, Alarcon. Yes, on Alarcon. 10-13. Back to 3-point lead of Murur. 4 minutes, 20 seconds. Panchon kali Sabiliano. To let it fly, Kelvin. Bang! Let it fly, Kelvin. 16-10. Back to 6-point lead of Murur. 4 minutes. Bren. Oh, turnover on Calidia. Nice defense at Pakulba. 6-point lead now on Murur. 16-10. Bang Pakulba to Panchon. Panchon now, nice pass. Too strong, Pakulba. In and out. Rebound on Bren. Pass to Sabiliano. Now it's 4-on-3. Sabiliano, very Pakulba. Sabiliano. Still again ay Pakulba. 2-on-2. Pakulba goes to cross. Foul. Foul on number 2 on Gibara. First on Gibara. First team foul. Calidia. Short. Rebound. Oh! Go too strong. Sabiliano now. Stop. Nice move by Sabiliano. Yes, what a move coming from Sabiliano. 12-16. 4-point lead now on Murur. Go. Pass to Pakulba. Yes, on Pakulba. 18-12. Back to 6-point lead on Murur. Alarcon. Side step. Alarcon again. Take. Alarcon. Block. Foul. Foul on number 12 on Let It Fly, Kiljem. First on Kiljem, second team foul against Murur. 2 minutes 57 seconds. First quarter. Murur against Calidia. Our interstate category. Nice shot by Alcon. Short. Panchon. Go, drive, attack, go, attack. One and left-handed by Go. What a shot coming from Go. Now 13-20. Back to 7-point lead on Murur. Alarcon. Side step. Nice defense to Panchon. Steal again by Pakulba. Sport. Steal up again. Pakulba. Drive Pakulba. Same ball. No foul. 2 minutes 29 seconds. 40 to shoot. 2 minutes 29 seconds. Kiljem, let it fly. Yes, on, let it fly. Kiljem. 22-13. Now 9-point lead on Murur. Ibarra, stop back. Too strong. Rebound again, Pakulba. Kurba to Pachon. Pachon now. Pachon, setting a play. Pass. Go, go. Yes, on go. 2 minutes. 24 against 13. 11 point lead now. Oh, steal. Alarcon again. Pick. Foul.
Score number 25.
Foul on number 25 on go. First on go, 13 foul on Murur. 24 against 13, still favor of Murur. Rampage. 1 minute 49 seconds. First quarter. Oh, Bren. Yes, on Bren. Pull up back by Bren. 24-15. 9-point lead on Murur. Wanchon. Pass to Pagiligan. Ukreje. Wanchon again. Drive. Stop up. Wise move. Steal. Foul. Nice pass coming from the point guard. Wanchon. Foul on Alarcon. Number 22. Second team foul on Candelaria, first on Alarcon. Remaining time, 1 minute 26 seconds. Nice shot by Pakulba. 25-15 now. 10-point lead, Murur. Nice shot, 26-15. Alarcon. Alarcon to Sibiliano. Stop, bang. Hesitate. Bren. Open jump for yes on Bren. Nice shot from the big guy. Bren. 26-17. Back to 9-point lead on Murur. Go. Fake. Pump. Pakulba again. Too strong. Rebound on Alarcon. 55 seconds. Ow! Turnover on Calidia. Back-to-back turnover against Calidia. John. Turnover steal against Murur. 50 seconds, 50 seconds. 26 against 17. Our score. 9-point lead on Murur. One move. Same ball. 17 to shoot. 17. 42 seconds. 17 to shoot. 42 seconds. Alarcon, escape, steal by go, go. To Pakulba. Yes, again on Pakulba. 10 seconds. Short. 4 seconds, 4 seconds. And our first quarters, our score 30 against 17, 13-point lead against Murur. Murur. Wow! Bang, bang, bang! On number 13 of Murur. 17-33 now, our score. Subirano. Chaya. Back to Chaya. Too strong, rebound on Tagungtong. Tagungtong now in the ball game. 33-17. Still paper of Murur. Subirano. To Ilagan. Too strong. Rebound on Calidia. Stop, huh? Too strong, rebound again on Murur. Tagungtong now. Nice pass. Yes, easy jumper number 24 of Murur. Of De Leon. Now in the ball game still, De Leon. 35-17, 9 minutes. Chaya. Bang! 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 On number 23 of Calidia. Monterroso. 35-20. Basket by Monterroso. Delay again. Same spot. Steal by Monterroso. Monterroso to Chaya. Chaya. Steal on Subirano. De Leon is 4-on-4. 4-on-2. Tagong-tong. Coast-to-coast. Foul. Foul on number 42 of Calidia. Person, first team foul, Calidia. 35-20. 15-point lead against Murur. 8 minutes 30 seconds. Ono stroke, Tagong-tong, Chico line, Tagong-tong. First basket. Eight minutes, 30 seconds. Yes, son, Tagong-tong.
Oh, si Dennis, wala naman, no?
Ha?
Dennis, wala.
Ito na kinuntak ko.
Simula na eh. Simula na
Sabi niya, kasi
schedule niya ngayon.
Schedule niya ngayon. Ako lang nag-confirm.
Dugay ra. May message ka ron. Bago pa na sa tabot, ilakaw.
kahit ka ng kumpong.
Yes, son, Ilagan. 38-20.
Karoon na nag-message. Bago pa siya nabot, dito ilakaw.
Sigado na dapat.
Saway, atong nagi pang bata. Wala nabot ko agad og uniform.
Tagong-tong, Coach Subirano, same spot, favorite shot, in and out. Rebound on Sablan, the director of Sablan. 7 minutes 20 seconds, nice pass. Yes, son. Number, magulat na, 22-38. Still favor of Murur, 7 minutes. Subirano. Nice outside to Alba. Long shot, it was wrong. Iba pension to Chaya. It's 3-3, 3-4. Monterroso drive. Monterroso, foul. Foul on number 3, Alba. First personal foul against Alba. First team foul on Murur. 38-22. 16-point lead on Murur.
Bali, dalawa lang.
Nice shot by Monterroso. 38-23. Back to 15-point lead on Murur. Subirano. Pass to Tagong-tong. Back to De Leon. Nice pass. Again, Tagong-tong. Drive, strong move. Tagong-tong to Alba. 10 to shoot. Alba. Hey! 4 to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. 6 minutes 38 seconds. De Leon. Too strong. Alba. Riba na gamayaga. 40 seconds sa clock. To Tagong-tong. Pass to Ilagan. Black. Foul on number 23, Rigayon Monterroso. First personal foul on Monterroso. Second team foul, Calidia. 39-23, 6 minutes, 18 seconds. Short. Rebound on Inson. To the rector, Sablan. Sablan now. Mangulap na, short. De Leon, rebound. Wala bigaban, De Leon. De Leon, pass to Subirano. Guard by Chaya. Subirano. Pass to Alba. Looking for De Leon. De Leon now, fake. De Leon looking for Rafael. Foul on number 23 on Monterroso. 13 foul on Calidia. Juri.
3 minutes tayo, 3 minutes. Pahinga.
Ano kaya?
Patak ka na, pre.
3 minutes, 5 minutes.
Press. Ilayin mo muna. Magaling ka yan.
14 to shoot this at 14. Subirano. 10 to shoot. Short. Panon the director. Sablan now. Mangalabnan. Short. Ibon Alba. Stevenson to Ilagan to Alba. De Leon to Strong and Ibanon. Ilagan. 10 to shoot. Again, Ibanon De Leon. De Leon favorite shot. Yes, away shot on De Leon. 41 to 23. Monteroso, Pusukos. Strong move. Too strong again. Rebound by Ilagan. Steal. Jump ball. Kalidia. Position arrow by Kalidia. 5 minutes. 41 to 23. Turnover against Kalidia. 41 against 23. 4 minutes 50 seconds of our second quarter. Subirano. Guarded by Sabillano. Alba. Stop up. Jumper. Yes on Alba. 43 to 23. 20-point lead now on Murur. The director Sablan. Guarded by Subirano. Pass to Sabillano. Open jump. 3-point shot. Too strong. Rebound on De Leon. De Leon now acting a point guard. De Leon. Pass to Ilagan to Subirano. 4 minutes. Subirano 14 to shoot. Sabillano. Pass to De Leon. Open jump. 3-point shot. Too strong. Rebound on Kalidia. Henson now. Kusukos. Henson drive. Henson. Bundle drives. Too strong. Rebound on Henson again. Henson, fake, drive, Henson. Nice move. Monteroso. Yes on Monteroso. 25 to 43. 18-point lead on Murur. Subirano. Stop up, Subirano. Yes on Subirano. 45-25. Wilson. Coast to coast, side step, pass to Monteroso, Monteroso, strong move by the guy, Monteroso! 27-45, 3 minutes, 10 seconds. This is our first game of Enter-Seat category. Murur, Kalidia. Hinson, nice pass outside, Ilagan. Pow! Alba again. In and out, rebound on the Sablan, the director, Sablan now. Sablan. Yes, on the director, Sablan, 29 to 45. $16-point lead on Murur.
Abot ka pa sa next game.
Subirano. 14 to shoot. In and out. Rebound on Monteroso. Monteroso to Sabillano. Oh, the director Sablan. To Sabillano. Pass to Henson. Henson to Monteroso. Monteroso. Oh! Left-handed. 1-on-1 by Taguntong. Stop up. Taguntong. Easy jog. Oh! Nice defense on Sablan. 2 minutes. Sablan now. The director to Sas to downside to Monteroso. Stop up. Monteroso. Basket count and 1 against Monteroso.
Number 6.
Foul on number 6 on Murur, Ilagan. First personal foul on Ilagan, second team foul Murur, 1 minute 58 seconds, 45 to 31. Still favor of Murur. $32 to 45. Back to 13-point lead now against Marur. Sabiliano. 14 to shoot. Monteroso. It's 4 on 3. Monteroso, drive, bang. Foul on number 23 on Taguntong. First on Taguntong, warning for penalty against Calidia. 1 minute 31 seconds, 45 to 32. 13 foul on Marur. 13 foul on Marur. Nice shot by Monteroso. 1 minute 31 seconds. 34 to 35. Now 9-point lead on Marur. Subirano to Alba. Looking for Taguntong. Wanna move. Nice defense on Monteroso. Turnover on Marur. 1 minute 15 seconds. 45 against to 34. 11-point lead on Marur.
Wala ba?
Nice play!
Air ball. De Leon. It's 4-2. De Leon is still by that. De Leon again. De Leon take. De Leon try. De Leon move. Alba. Yes, on Alba. 40 seconds. Timson. 30 seconds. Oh, the directors are blunt. 25 seconds. 46 to 36. 10-point lead Marur. Taguntong to De Leon. Stop, pump. De Leon, take. Back to Sbiliano. 14 to shoot. Alba. In and out. Rebound Taguntong. Take. Taguntong. 48 to... And number second quarter score 40.
Team captain, before fourth quarter ha. Sir Leo, before fourth quarter. Before fourth quarter tayo ha. Payment.
Pocon. Akulba. Red rebound. Sablanao. Stop pump. All jumper. Sablan. Board. Too strong. Rebound on Alarcon. Yes, on Alarcon. 48 to 38. 10-point lead now on Marur. Pocon. Pagirigan. To go. Back to Pocon. Nice pass! One pass Pocon. In and out. Rebound on Calidia. Now Sablan. Sablan to Alarcon. Too strong. Still on Kiljem. Kiljem now. Stop pump. Kiljem. Coast to coast. Drive. Coast to coast. Black foul. Foul on number 18 on Bren. First team foul on Calidia. First team foul on Bren. First personal foul on Bren. (49 to 38). Yes, on goal. 51 to 38. Alarcon. Air ball. Rebound by Marur. Poncho now. Setting play. Nice pass. Same ball. 18 to shoot. 18. Rebound on Gigi. Sablan, steal. Same ball, 8 minutes 20 seconds. Bang! 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 Oh, nalargon! 51 to 41, back to 10 point lead. Oh, turnover again by Murur. Time out! On Murur.
Sagad, Juan, sagad!
Bren, 1-1. Bren, open jump, too strong. Rebound by Go. Panchon. Panchon now. Nice pass. Again, wala mo pass. Nice pass. Kay Panchon. Foul, rep. Alon Gibera. Second team foul on Kalia. Personal foul on... Second personal foul on Gibara. Shot. Ibarra.
Buhay isa!
Sablan.
Isa!
Kalir Panchon.
Hey, tapat! Pumul ba?
Alarcon. Stop, pump, Alarcon, foul.
Pumul ba nga meron po ba? Ano ba tao?
Push forward.
Surban na!
Foul on Pagirigan. Second on Pagirigan. First team foul against Murur.
Hindi na rin eh. Lado! Sabi ka magkagat na.
Saba.
Turbon! Turbon!
Foul on Pagirigan. Nakapunchon. Go. Attack. Stop, pump, go. Yes, on Pakulba. 53 to 51. Back to 12 point lead on Murur. Sablan. Too strong. Rebound natin. Sablan, foul. First foul rep. Foul on number 12. On Murur. Second team foul on Murur. Second on Let It Fly, Kelvin. Steal on Pakulba. Let it fly. Let it fly. Kelvin, 55 to 41, 6 minutes 30 seconds. Back to 14 point lead now on Murur. Bangilisa to Julian. Yes, so di Bangilista. 43 to 55, back to 12 point lead on Murur. 55 to 43, 12 point lead Murur. Pagirigan. Bang! On Pagirigan. 58 to 43, back to 15 point lead on Murur. Bren. Stop up, Bren. Stop up, Bren. Yes, on Bren. 48 to 45, 13 point lead on Murur. 5 minutes 40 seconds. Concho now. Pass Pagirigan, same spot. Back to Concho, drive attack. Nice pass outside. Turnover again by Khalid Murur. 5 minutes 37 seconds. 58 to 45. Inbounding Ibarra. To Alarcon, looking for Ibarra. The director now, guarded by Panchon. Sablan. Ibarra. Steal again, may go. Pagkul by 6, stealing again. Go, drive. Yes, on go. 60 to 45. 15 point lead now on Murur. Ibarra. Nice move, Ibarra. Ibarra. Foul.
5 minutes!
4 minutes, 50 seconds.
Pwede na sub tayo, sub.
Time out on Calidia.
Okay, ready?
Advance lang.
Monteroso, 1-on-1 by Go. Foul. Foul on Go. Penalty, red penalty. Second personal foul on Go. Our next game will be NCAA St. Pinil against LPU. LPU against St. Pinil, our second game. 47-60. 13-point lead back to Marur. Now, Siberano in the ball game. Siberano. To Pagirigan. Back to Siberano. Alba. Favorite shot. Too strong. Rebound again on Keljem. Pass. Back to Mike. Oh, I pass! Yes, on Keljem. Coming pass from Go. 62-47. Back to 16-point lead Marur. Henson, right to Sukoski. Yes, on Henson. 49-62. Back to 13-point lead Marur. 3 minutes 40 seconds. Rebound on Evangelista.
Kukuha isa, Bobby.
Evangelista looking for Erson. Erson now. Drive. Guarded by Sobrano. Erson. Stop back. Monteroso. Air ball. Moror bull. Moror. 3 minutes. 2 minutes. Soberano. Pass to Pagirigan. Fake attempt drive. Pagirigan. Yeah! Linag. Go again. Go foul. Foul on number 23 on Calidia. Evangelista. Gigi.
Number 4 si Gigi.
23. Monteroso. Foul on Monteroso. Third personal foul on number 23, Monteroso. 13 foul, Calidia. 63-49 now. 63 against 49. Gigi. To Sabiliano. To Herson. Stop up, Felipe Alba. Herson, lagi mo Sabiliano, take. Sabiliano, drive, yo-yo move, Sabiliano. Moror. 2 minutes, 35 seconds, third quarter. Our next game will be NCAA St. Pinil versus LPU. Oh, Alba.
Patay.
Air ball. Two minutes. 2 minutes. Bren. To Herson. Bam! Foul on Pagirian. Penalty, red penalty.
Third. Wala na.
63-49. 1 minute 50 seconds. 63-50. 13-point lead now. Marur. Alba. Nice pass outside again. Oh! The pass by Marur. To Alba. Stop up. Alba fake. Foul.
51 na.
Foul on number 23, Monteroso. Warning for fourth personal foul on Monteroso. Warning on Monteroso. Fourth team foul on Calidia. Warning for penalty on Calidia. Go. Short. Rebound on Bren. Oh! Substitution time, sub-rep. 1 minute 17 seconds. Second game or NCAA LPU against Short Saint Benil. Ah, still may go! One minute 6 seconds. Yes, Pangilinan, point 65 to 50. Person, back turn, Person, back, pow, wala shot, Person, pow.
Paano?
Foul on Sevillano, penalty, 54 seconds, 54.
Ngayon si Juan Dennis, wala. Ayaw ko na.
I-confirm lagi?
Oo, dugar.
$51 to 65. 50 seconds. Three second violation.
Hawak ko na. Oh! Yes! Wala!
Foul. Foul on Kiljim.
Third on kill.
Third on Kiljim. Penalty. $33 seconds, 33. Kiljim to Sigurano to Kiljim. Pagiligan, Alba too strong. Rebound on Gigi to Sabillano. Pass, Herson. Fake. Drive, Herson, foul.
Paano ba yun?
11 seconds. All on number 3. On Alba.
Second.
Second personal foul on Alba. 11 seconds. $52 to 65. 12-point lead now on Rule.
12 lang!
5 seconds. And
Karoon ang driver. Sige, nag-stop ko.
Ano kaya?
Balik! Na!
Harrison. Too strong. Rebound on De Leon. Our score 65 against 53. Steal. Save ball. Oh! Calidia ball. Nice defense on Rizon. 65-53 our score. 12-point in Murur. Sablan to Bren. Exit jump too strong. Rebound on De Leon. Pass looking for Ato Pachon to Tagungtong. Pakul ba in and out. Pakul ba again. Still Pakul ba on the dark. Pakul ba short. Rebound on Calidia. Sablan. To Montiroso. Try, pass, Montiroso, nice guys, defense and Tongtong. Herson! In and out, De Leon now, rebound. 8 minutes 50 seconds. Murur against Galidia, De Leon. Stop pump, De Leon. Too strong, rebound on Galidia, Montiroso. To Herson, nice defense on Quachon. Quachon now.
18.
Quachon, up and jump, too strong, rebound on Quachon, stop pump. Quachon, 40 to shoot. Pass to Pakulba, Pakulba, air ball, back-to-back air ball on Pakulba. Still again by Pakulba. Gerson.
Kaya!
Gerson to Montiroso. Malabnan. Bang! Bang, bang, bang ang mga Malabnan. 65 to 56. 9-point lead now, Murur. 8 minutes, 10 seconds. Oras quarter. Quachon to Tagumtong. Stop, Tagumtong drive to De Leon. Open jump. Yes, favorite shot on De Leon. 67 to 56. Back to 11-point lead, Murur. Our next game will be NCAA St. Pinil versus LPU. Pow!
Wag.
Oh, no ball left. Shoot 14. Sabi dito sa ref, sub.
Sige, mas make sure, sorry. Bren.
Bren out, Bren. Score 67-56. Steal again by De Leon. De Leon to Quachon. It's 2-1. De Leon. One more by De Leon. 69 to 56. Back to 13-point in the Murur. Harrison. Fake drive. Still again against the Murur. 1-on-1. Pakulba. Stop pump. Pakulba is job. Yes on. Pakulba. 71-56. Murur. Sablan. And director, open jump, 3-point shot, air ball. Back-to-back turnover on Galidia. 7 minutes. Murur against Galidia are inter-street category. Ay, basket Krista. Quachon. Pass again, nice pass. De Leon. Looking for his teammate. To Pakulba, pick. Pakulba drive. Yung mo, Pakulba. 10 to shoot. Block behind Benson. 24 shot clock violation. 24 shot clock violation. Nice defense on Caledea. Gigi. Air ball. Rebound on Murur. It's 2-on-3. 4-on-2. Nice pass. Ilagan. Nice defense by. Back. De Leon. Foul. Bang! Basket count and 1 on De Leon. Foul on Gigi. First personal foul on Gigi. First team foul on Galidia. Basket count and 1 against De Leon. 6 minutes 14 seconds. 73 to 56. Short. Rebound on Montiroso. Oh, De Leon again. Now, De Leon. Back-to-back shot coming from De Leon. 75-56. Back to 19-point in the Murur. Sablan fake. Stop pump. Yes, on the director. Sablan. 75 to 58. Tagumtong. Carried by 4. Stop pump. Looking for that point guard. Quachon. Back to Tagumtong. Still kick ball. Shot clock. 24 shot clock. Substitution to ref. Sub. Gerson out. Sabiliano in. 5 minutes 38 seconds on the last quarter. Pakulba. Yes. On Pakulba. 77-58. Now 19-point lead on Murur. Montiroso. Kali ba yung Tongtong? Montiroso again. Pack. Montiroso. 62-77. 17-point lead Murur. 5 minutes 10 seconds. Quachon to De Leon. Kali by Gigi. De Leon now. De Leon drive. De Leon stop. Nice pass. Pakulba. Style pass. 10 to shoot. Black by Gigi. Pakulba again. De Leon. Yes, son! De Leon! 79 to 60, 19 point lead back to Marur. 4 minutes, 40 seconds. Gigi. Pass to Monteroso. Sablan. Favorite shot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on the director Sablan. 63 to 79, 16 point lead on Marur. De Leon, 1-on-1 on Sumiliano. De Leon now, stop up, looking for Taguntong. Taguntong, 14 to shoot. Taguntong now. Ooh, Ilaga now, air ball. Nothing but ball on Ilaga. Now it's 2-2. Sablan, stop up, give it to John Pick. The director's shot. Rebound on Taguntong, the muscle man Taguntong. Taguntong now, the muscle man drive. Wow, short again. Rebound on Marur. Muscle man. Wrong pass on the muscle man. It's 2-1. As a pass, Sabiliano. What a move by Sabiliano. 65 to 79, 3 minutes 45 seconds. 14 point lead now, Marur. 3 minutes 30 seconds. Kwachon. Pass to Ilagan. Back to Kwachon. 14 to shoot. Muscleman, drive. Muscleman again. Muscleman, nice pass on side. Turnover, back substitution, sub. Back to back turnover, substitution, sub. Marur, Kalidia ball. Kalidia turnover on Marur. 3 minutes 21 seconds, 65 to 79, 14 point lead. Marur. Monteroso. Sablan, favorite shot, same spot. Bang! On the director, Sablan. Now 79 to 68, 11 point lead now, Marur. 3 minutes. Muscleman, coast to coast, Muscleman. Alam mo ba na Muscleman? Taguntong, 81 against 68. Sablan, 2 minutes 50 seconds. Sablan now. Sablan, guarding ni Cochon. Sablan, to Sabiliano, fake. Sabiliano, foul. Foul on number 23 on the Muscleman, Taguntong. First on the Muscleman, Taguntong. First team foul, Marur. Second on the Muscleman. First team foul, Marur. Short. 81 to 68. 2 minutes 39 seconds. Remaining time for our last quarter. Marur against Kalidia. Sabiliano again. Back-to-back short. Rebound on De Leon. De Leon now. De Leon guarded by the director. Sablan. De Leon. Pass to Conchon. Conchon to the Muscleman. 14 to shoot. 14. Short. Rebound on Monteroso. Monteroso to Gigi. Gigi. Back-to-back turnover on Gigi. 2 minutes 12 seconds. Only 81 to 68. Favor still on Marur. Kwachon. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. De Leon, fake track. Fade away shot. Short. Rebound again. Pagulba. Foul.
Foul number 4.
Foul on number 4 on Gigi. Second personal foul on number 4, GG. Second team foul, Kalidia. 1 minute 53 seconds. 81 against 268. Marur, basket time out, basket shot tayo rin pa, basket substitution.
When after?
Balas.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Tomorrow you have game, no?
Not tomorrow.
No game.
Sub rep, sub.
But Wednesday, خلاص finish.
No, 5 teams na.
Huh?
Daddy, 5 teams.
82 to 68. 1 minute 53 seconds. Gigi, fake, Monteroso. Back to Gigi. Hesitate. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on DJ! 82 to 71, back to 11 point in Marur. Pagirian. 1 minute 30 seconds. Panchon now, Panchon. 14 to shoot. De Leon. To go. Nice pass again to Pagulba. Wallace Cas coming from go. 84 to 71. 1 minute 15 seconds. Too strong. Libanon. Quadron. The ball at Quadron. 1 minute. 84 to 71. 13 point in on Murur. De Leon. Pass to Quadron. Pass to De Leon. Fade away shot. Too strong. Libanon. Libanon again. Pagulba. Black. On Puteroso. 14 to shoot. 14. Pangirigan. Stop. Pump. 3-point shot. Too strong. Libanon again by Pagulba. Too strong. Libanon by Gigi. Foul. Foul on go. Second team foul on Murur. Second team foul. 40 seconds. Third personal foul on go. Monteroso. To Sablay. Nice fake. Third shot. Too strong. Rebound on go. 30 seconds. 84 to 71 on score. Murur. 14 to shoot. 14.
Nilagyan mo na naman eh.
10. And our game our winner, Murur, 84 against the 71.